Hi, second grade. If you picked this video, that means you want to do a regular assignment like we've been doing the past every day since we started virtual learning, to be honest. If you picked this video, that is absolutely fine. I'm totally okay with it. I just gave options in case you were getting bored, but I know for me, sometimes I just like to do the same old things. So if you pick this, that's fine. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to continue measuring inches for one more day, and I want to talk to you about when the measurement isn't exactly at a certain number. It might be in between 2 and 3 or something like that, and I'm going to show you what to do in that case. Let's review using my homemade beautiful ruler. Now, remember, where do we start on a ruler? Yeah, we start at the 0 tick. Now, that's because sometimes the edge of the ruler gets roughed up and it's just the ruler makers want you to have the exact measurement. Now, not all rulers look like that. If there is no 0 tick, just assume the edge is the 0, just like I said yesterday. All right, so we are going to practice with a few items. First, I'm going to practice with my dry eraser. Now, y'all, I don't know what is wrong with me, but I can never measure in the screen. It's too hard because everything's backwards. So I'm going to try my best. So I hope you are able to be patient. So I'm right up to that 0, and as I can see, it's between 4 and 5 inches. If I look at it, I would have to say that it is closer to 5 inches. So I'm going to say that this is 5 inches. If you think that it's closer to 4 inches, you can write 4. But as you can see, those ticks between the 4 and the 5, it's definitely closer to that 5 tick. So I'd say it's 5 inches. Let's try it with another item, my stapler remover. So I'm going to put it all the way to that 0 tick. Oh, I'm going to flip it this way because it's kind of hard to see. All right. And now you can see that it's almost 2 inches. So I am going to say that this is 2 inches long. And lastly, a old gift card that I have not yet used. I got it for my birthday from my sister. There it is, measured up right to the 0. Now this one's going past the 3, but it's still really close to 3 inches. It's way closer to 3 inches than 4 inches. So I'm going to say that it is 3 inches long. All right, now I think you got the hang of it. If you're using an actual ruler, we are going to go to our assignment and look at a few problems and do one together. So we are measuring in inches, so that means we need to remember to put what after our number. You got it. You will need to put a IN, which is abbreviation for inches. Now, I'm going to skip this first one because it's exactly the right amount. I'm going to go to the second one, and we can do that one together. Now, if we look at this one, what's going on here? Okay, just ignore that. If we look at this second one, our bar goes past the 1, and it's pretty close to the 2. So there's these 2 ticks right here between the end and 1, and there's no ticks between this one and the 2. So it's definitely closer to 2 inches. So on my line, I'm going to write 2 IN. All right, second grade, and just like that, we have done one problem together. It is pretty simple. I just wanted to do a little review and help you out if you were a little bit stuck on problems that were, or measurements that were in between. I know that can get a little bit tricky. All right, I hope you have a good rest of your day. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comments below, or you can join a Zoom session.